It's too far. It's too far.
I'm on the way now because I got the baby with me.
Hello and welcome to Stratford. As you guys can see, I just arrived at Stratford station. So आज आप देख रहे हैं मैं Stratford station पे हूँ. Today I am going to show you something interesting in Stratford. So आज आपको कुछ मज़ेदार सी चीज़ें Stratford में दिखाते हैं. So let's start our video log in Stratford. Okay. So here we are going downstairs, taking exit. तो यहाँ से हम नीचे जा रहे हैं to go outside. Basically Stratford has two exits, one to the old Stratford Mall and other facilities down this side, and other one down right side, which takes us to the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park and Westfield Stratford City. So I'm going to take right towards Westfield Stratford City. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं दो एग्जिट हैं. एक एग्जिट towards उस वेस्टफील्ड की तरफ जाते हुए है और दूसरा एग्जिट टुवर्ड्स है Westfield. Today it's not that busy, as you can see. Very few people. But normally, and additionally, it's not peak hours, so during peak hours it's really busy. आज आप देख सकते हैं कि बिज़ी नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा. वीक डेज की रीज़न है और दूसरा ड्यूरिंग पीक आवर में ये ज़्यादा बिज़ी होता है. सो लेट्स गो अप देयर. Okay, as you can see, we are coming out of Stratford station. So basically we are on the exit near the Westfield. So that is the exit from Stratford station. आप देख रहे हैं Stratford station की exit Westfield में. So Westfield में आपको entrance के बाहर ये मॉल मिलेगा. So this environment you are going to see. So on the right side, you're gonna see a bridge. It's overhead bridge on the station. Basically, it leads us to the other exit of the Stratford station. So I'll be showing you later on when obviously I will try to go from other entrance. I mean, you can see other exit. So जब मैं व्लॉग ख़त्म करूँगा तो मैं इस ब्रिज के थ्रू आपको लेकर जाने की ट्राई करूँगा. So चलें हम चलते हैं वेस्टफील्ड. Let's go into Westfield. So ये है Westfield entrance, as you can see. So as soon as you enter, on our left side is M&S. So this level M&S food. So you can go for M&S food hall, but you can go upstairs for M&S regular store. So we are going to this side. So here guest services. So they are showing here open from 9 a.m. Monday, Saturday, 11 a.m. Sunday. So we are on lower level of the Westfield. हम वेस्टफील्ड की लोअर लेवल पे हैं. यहाँ पे आपको मोस्टली फ़ोन ब्रांड्स, फूड शॉप्स, इस तरह के ब्रांड्स आपको मिलेंगे. So you're gonna see a lot of food brands and food and other brands. I mean, as you can see, O2, then Boots, brand like these. To just give you a look on upper levels, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, Hyundai, Holland Barrett's, and mostly brands. This car brand Primark. I think Primark is on all the level. On left side, you're gonna see is a food hall. There are different food outlets. So you want me to go inside maybe to have a look which food brands are here. So epic, legendary Greek street food. Then Popeyes. It's very busy around here. यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी रश नज़र आ रहा है. Chopsticks. This side is Subway, Bansik, Pizza Hut, McDonald's. So you can see food court is very busy around here. आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी busy है food वाला corner. Even they have seating in the middle. So food court is available in lower ground. Food court जो है is lower ground पे है. So we are moving. to show you what's on next. Mixed brands हैं नीचे काफ़ी भी, as you can see, but ज़्यादातर खाने वाले brands food के. There are quite mixed brands even at lower level, but mostly there are food brands. So if you want to go upstairs, there in the middle escalator. So anyone want to have a massage here, so you can have. I think they are just selling these products here, not the massage maybe. There is also kids play area. यहाँ पे आपको kids play area मिलेगा. If you are coming with kids, you can bring your kids this area. So we are nearly at the other end of the Westfield lower level, as you can see. So if you want to go upper level, so we can go from here. You can use it. But I'm gonna take you next to the escalator. Behind escalator, the store is Waitrose. Waitrose is another grocery store. So it's really best one in London, in UK, if you say. So there is an exit from this side. If you want to go, I think it leads to the bus station maybe. And this side, if you want to go for car park, so you can go this side for car park. So there are a lot of food shops are here as well at this corner. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि फूड शॉप की काफ़ी अवेलेबिलिटी है यहाँ पे. So let's go to the upper level. Here we go. Upper level पे जाते हैं. Just have a look backward here.
No, there's nothing. I just think he's going to say I want to move on with you.
So now we are on middle level basically. So right in front of the escalator you can see John Lewis. So John Lewis is one of the very big brand in UK. It's a very prestigious brand. So I'm not going into John Lewis at the moment because my only purpose is to show you around. So here you can go for street shopping in Westfield. But I'm gonna take you to the top level first, because when we come back to the middle level we can go out for street level as well. So पहले हम top level पे जाते हैं, फिर middle level पे आके हम street level तक जाएंगे. So now you can have massage here, I believe. As you can see, the lady is doing massage here. So here we go to the upper level. Top, as you can see, John Lewis as well. So John Lewis is basically on two levels, on level 2 and 3 and 1 as well, I think. So ground floor is Waitrose. So We are at third level. It's not that busy on third level. You can have kids play area here as well. बच्चों के खेलने के लिए भी यहाँ पे काफ़ी जगह है ऊपर वाले लेवल पे. और if you are tired of shopping, you can have some rest around here. There is a lot of seating here. I can show you the street shopping area. So we're gonna go there later. Mostly garments brands are here. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ज़्यादातर गारमेंट्स के ब्रांड्स हैं. Sephora. ये नया ब्रांड है. आई थिंक पहले मैंने नहीं देखा शायद. ये वेरी लेट आई थिंक. लेफ्ट साइड पे एप्पल का है मेन स्टोर. और राइट साइड पे आप सैमसंग का भी देख सकते हैं स्टोर. यहाँ राइट साइड पे ये बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पे सैमसंग है. राइट साइड पे हम यहाँ से यहाँ पे भी फूड शॉप्स काफ़ी आपको मिल जाएंगी. सो दिस कॉर्नर यू कैन फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ फूड स्टोर्स, फूड शॉप्स.
Sorry. Hey, video in here.
It's not that busy. It's mid-week. इतना बिजी नहीं है जैसे कि वीकेंड पे या इस पे होता है. So if we want to go to street shopping, we can go from here, but let me cover the whole Westfield first, so we'll go later on. As you can see, different food shops here. So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे different food shops हैं. So let me take to the upper level, the last one, I think third level. Let's see what's going on there. यहाँ पे भी see mostly food shops. So it's not that busy around here, as you can see. So let us go from that way. इतना बिजी नहीं है आज मिड वीक की वजह से. गवर्नमेंट बर्गर किचन. ऑल स्टार मीन्स मुख्तलिफ पब्स हैं जैसे कि TGI फ्राइडेज. तो बिल्कुल क्वाइट पड़ा है ये. किड्स ईट फ्री हेयर. यहाँ बच्चे फ्री खा सकते हैं. सो you need to pay for adults. So as you can see other side, Five Guys, the way to Aspers Casino as well. So if you are interested to watch a movie, so you can go here, VUE. अगर आपने मूवी देखनी है तो आप इस साइड पे आ सकते हैं. सो the entrance, people are going this way. So if you really want to have some gambling, you can go this way. This side पे Five Guys और इस side पे Nando's. Nando's is very tasty brand. So let's go back to the down to the third level. I'm just trying to cover all the sides of Westfield to give you guys a little idea. You may be able to enjoy, may be able to feel how Westfield experience is. तो आप लोगों को मैं एक पूरे इसकी टूर करवा रहा हूँ so that कि आपको एक वेस्टफील्ड की आइडिया हो जाए. If you are into sushi, you can have from here. So we are nearly at the end of upper level. As you can see, that is entrance to M&S. So we will not We'll not be going to M&S. We'll cover it later maybe. I'm gonna show you to have some street experience from here. So left side is food stalls. So you may be able to see here. So let's go to the middle level. So now we are at middle level. So on middle level we have another entrance or exit. So basically you can say street entrance, which leads on one side, on the right side is street shopping in Westfield, and you can go to the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park. On left side you can go to the overhead bridge for other entrance to the Stratford station. So we come back later here. तो आपने देख लिया कि यहाँ पे एंट्रेंस और एग्जिट है स्ट्रीट लेवल पे. सो सामने M&S भी है. लेफ़्ट साइड पे हमारा फुट ब्रिज है जिसके थ्रू हम स्ट्रैटफोर्ड स्टेशन की दूसरी एग्जिट की तरफ जा सकते हैं. राइट साइड पे हमारे स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग और क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ के लिए हम राइट साइड पे जा सकते हैं. बिफोर गोइंग देयर maybe I'll be able to come back from that side. So let's have a tour on middle level. Food shops are available, I think, on every level. फूड शॉप तकरीबन हर लेवल पे आपको मिल जाएगी. Such a beautiful store. Just going to show you a look of the store. As you can see, escalator right in the middle if you want to go to the upper level, and underneath of this escalator you can see another escalator if you want to go down here or you want to come from lower level to the middle level. So I'm going to show you the brand here in the middle. It also leads to the street shopping area, but I think we will be going right from the end. So people are just sitting to relax here. If you really like to have an ice cream, so come here. So on the right is escalator coming from the upper level, as I already showed you from the upper level. So that is exit to the street shopping. But I'm gonna come from other side. So just have a look around here, then we will go for street shopping area. Just आपको एक व्यू दे रहा हूँ यहाँ से पूरे वेस्टफील्ड का, so that you will be able to understand when you come back by yourself. Hopefully you fully understood about the Westfield. Okay,
Recording because this is a private area. This is not a public area. Please.
oh, just finishing.
No.
So basically I was interrupted by the Westfield security not to film around here. So anyway, I don't know for what reason they told me, and I had to delete few of the clips in front of her. Yeah, so we are coming back to the middle level at the end, so we'll be going for street shopping area. So you remember we were here to the John Lewis, so we are going to the street shopping area. I think there is one exit from there as well. Yeah, there is exit here as well. Okay, now we are here on street level shopping area. As you can see on the right side, there's a food store, Big Easy. This is quite a big square here. So on the left side, there's also entrance to the middle level, as you can see from here. So a lot of different brand you're gonna see here as well. It's really beautiful around here. Okay, we are back here. I think there were some lighting issues when I came out in the street area. I try to adjust it. I need to learn completely about the camera, but anyway, we are back here. Okay, so street level shopping area में है. ये राइट इन द मिडल आप देख सकते हैं एक और एंट्रेंस है इनटू द वेस्ट फील्ड, और हमारे राइट साइड पे ये सारी थी मोस्टली फूड शॉप्स हैं। तो इसी साइड से हम फर्दर ऑन जा सकते हैं वेस्ट फील्ड की तरफ। सो आई विल टेक यू वेस्ट फील्ड तो हम ऑलरेडी हैं, और टू द Olympic Park. I'll take you later there. So let's complete first our Westfield visit. So on the right, we'll go up to the. I think you can see there is bus going up to there. So other side of the road is mostly Queen Elizabeth Park, Olympic area. So you can see a lot of building on this road. On that side is residential. So there are a few hotels here, other facilities, and some residential is quite a mix. So let's go back to the other exit to the station side. From here you can go to the car park as well. अगर अपनी कार पार्क के लिए जाना है तो यहाँ से भी आप जा सकते हैं। So basically this square takes you all four sides of the Westfield. So as you can see, this is entrance to the middle of the Westfield. That side is entrance to the you can say eastern side of the Westfield, and it's quite beautiful around here. This side is exit to the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, and this side we can go to the station side. Okay.
Have a lovely holiday.
So there is an entrance for Aspers Casino here as well. If you are really fond of gambling, you can come here in the street level as well. You wanna play table tennis? So we are right here. I have already shown you on the middle level exit that M&S and footbridge to the other side of the station. So you can see footbridge on the top for upper level to the Westfield and M&S as well. So I gonna take you to the footbridge later. I just want to show where I came from, so that you can have a good idea. I'm gonna take you to the entrance where I come from, basically from Stratford station. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं स्ट्रैटफोर्ड स्टेशन की एंट्रेंस में जहाँ से मैं आया था. As you can see, we are back to the Stratford station entrance where I took exit from. So that is Westfield lower level entrance. So that is Stratford station. So I'm gonna take you to the footbridge to other side of the Stratford station. So basically Stratford is a hub in the eastern side of London. After central London, Stratford is the main hub. As you can see, National Rail, Underground, Overground, Elizabeth Line and DLR. All the most major lines are available here. So right, we are here at Stratford Place. So we'll be going to that footbridge. So this side there is bus station as well. If you are coming from bus, you can come this side. So car park, bus station. There are buses for Stansted Express, Stansted Airport Express as well. Okay, let's go back to the middle level to cross towards other side of the Stratford station. So let's cross the footbridge and my Westfield visit will be completed here. मेरा वेस्टफील्ड का जो विज़िट है वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होगा. लेटर मैं आपको क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ का शो करूँगा कि कैसे वहाँ पे आप जा सकते हैं. So later I'll show about Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park as well. So as you can see, today is not that busy actually. So underneath you can see road and platform. We almost cross a footbridge. Footbridge को हमने क्रॉस कर लिया. यहाँ पे आपको लिफ्ट भी मिलेगी if you're not feeling to cross downstairs, so you can go by lift. Here, from here you can go right to the station. If you're coming from the lift, you can come here. अगर आप लिफ्ट से आ रहे हैं यहाँ से आप आ सकते हैं स्टेशन के अंदर. So ये वो साइड है जो मैंने शुरू में बताई थी कि ये अदर साइड टू द whole Stratford Mall. So that's what I already told you. So this is other exit to the old Stratford Mall. So there is one more exit downstairs. So this is exit for the platform. So आप सीधा प्लेटफॉर्म पे पहुंच जाते हैं यहाँ से. I'm gonna show you the entrance at the ground level. See, ये ग्राउंड लेवल की एंट्रेंस है. As you can see, entrance to the ground level into Stratford station. This is old entrance. So right in front of the station there is bus station here as well. Old Stratford bus station. Just to have a quick look around here. It's quite beautiful this side as well. So आपके सामने जो आपको नज़र आ रहा है ये Old Stratford Center है. So I'll try to cover Old Stratford Center as well some other time. So did you like my vlog on Westfield? So comment and like, share and subscribe please. Your comment make me to improve my videos. I'm a new YouTuber. Every other day I'm trying to bring new experiences in London. At the moment I'll try to cover from all over the world later on, maybe. That is my ambition, but so far I'm trying to cover London. So hopefully you're gonna like it. So yeah guys, thank you very much. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. आपको मैं और इस तरह की वीडियोस कोशिश करूँगा कि बनाता रहूँ आपको लंदन और लेटर पूरी दुनिया का एक्सपीरियंस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय.